Tonight, county health officials are reporting more than 14,000 new cases for a second day in a row. Our 7-day test positivity rate continues to rise, now up to 28.8%. 11 additional deaths were also reported today. 1,135 people are hospitalized right now with COVID-19 in San Diego County hospitals, and that is an increase of 69 patients from yesterday. And 10 more people were admitted to the ICU. That total is now 177, which is just over half of all available ICU beds here in the county. As Omicron spreads, people are asking just how contagious is the variant. Data suggests people are showing symptoms more quickly than with other variants and are spreading Omicron faster. So how do you keep yourself safe? News 8's Regina Ahn spoke with doctors tonight to find out what helps.
The news about Omicron spreading has been the topic of conversation. Doctors say it's so contagious you can start to spread it even before you test positive or a day after you're initially infected.
Yes, a lot of people are getting Omicron. There is a lot of infection around. It is very, very transmissible.
Dr. Monica Gandhi is an infectious disease expert and says the Omicron variant is about 4 times more contagious than the Delta variant. It also causes symptoms quicker than previous variants. You could show symptoms within 2 to 4 days before. With the Omicron, it could be as soon as 1 day after infection. But there is a silver lining.
It causes a wall of immunity. So much immunity is going to go around from so many people seeing this variant that it's going to quell the pandemic and possibly push us into the endemicity phase.
Gandhi says unless you lock yourself in your home and wait till it passes, you're more than likely going to get this variant.
The problem with the SARS-CoV-2 is that you can be contagious 2 days before you have symptoms and you didn't know that you were contagious and you were around people. So that has been the problem with this virus all along.
Dr. Jerome Robinson is a cardiologist at Sharp. He says there are a few things you can do to keep yourself safe.
So even though you've had a booster, you can still get this virus. But the good thing is that it protects you from, once you've been vaccinated and had the booster, it protects you from severe illness, hospitalization, and death.
He also suggests getting a well-fitted mask and double masking when out of the house.
And this mask, I put on to make sure it's well-fitting. It's under my glasses, and make sure it covers my nose completely.
Doctors and the CDC recommend to isolate for a minimum of 5 days if you show any symptoms. For a link to where you can get testing, visit CBS8.com.